Tell something about Rabindranath Tagore. First of all, everyone, good afternoon, and we celebrating here Utkarsha Bangla Kendra Rabindra Jayanti. Good afternoon once again. I am Sweet Kundu. Rabindranath Tagore is a man who's not only Bengali literature, he also touch every literature, English, Hindi, and Sanskrit. And we remember him also his great soul about literature, man's humanity, and very cultural program Rakhi Bandhan also. First, we show here his born. He was born in 1861, 7th May. Today is this day. Mm, and then he touched. We remember some about myself, Amol and Doyala. When I spent my pastime, I I remember this script, doi doi bhalo doi. This kind of literature only wrote by Rabindranath Tagore. Then the modern Bengali thought also reflected by his life. Also, Konnor Goshti uh, the, became to her age, but not any hit of its literature. His multiple work we observe two national song, India's Jono Gono Mono and Bangladesh Amar Sona Bangla, which is right by Rabindranath Tagore, and he found Vishwa Bharati University for the Western and Eastern cultural institution in the in the whole world. And when he write Gitanjali in 1913, this Bengali Noibeddo is the poet. He is a first Asian man who got the Nobel Prize, and also he is a died in 1941, 7th August. This is 22 in Bengali. He died, but he is not die in our mind, and we celebrate every year this day, Rabindra Jayanti. Thank you, everyone.